Hi, this is Mike with Airstream Adventures. Today we're going to take a look at our freshwater tank. The freshwater tank cover is located just to the right of the shower cover on the road side of the trailer. The cover is opened with our silver 751 key, the same key that opens up our shower door cover. Behind the cover we have a valve cap, opening cap. Rotating it to the left opens up the cap cover, and we put our garden hose into the opening. As the tank is filling, we may hear air coming out of this orifice, and at some point when the tank becomes full, water will come out of the black orifice and water will come out of this opening. That's okay, it just means it's full. The freshwater tank is utilized when we're boondocking or off-grid camping. Some people like to leave fresh water in their tank even though they're going to be located at campsites for all their camping destinations. They may be utilizing the water facilities at the campsites. Some people still like to have fresh water in their tank in case they need to stop between campsites, utilizing faucets, commode, or shower inside the unit. The freshwater tank has a panel inside that has a freshwater pump on it. That freshwater pump switch, when we turn it on, actually pressurizes the fresh water inside this tank so that we can utilize our showers, faucets, and commodes. To empty the freshwater tank, down below the unit and in between the two tires, we have a freshwater tank valve. That valve rotates 180 degrees, allowing us to dump the water out of the tank just prior to exiting our campsite. So the last step, just before exiting our campsite, is to go ahead and open up that valve, allowing that water to start emptying out of the tank. We'd rather go ahead and empty the water here at this location, and as we're traveling down the road, other than taking the water all the way back to the home destination, creating a big pool of water there. So our last step before exiting our campsite, open up the freshwater tank valve. As we pull away, that water will start dumping out of the tank as they're traveling down the road. It's okay, it's just fresh water. Thank you for watching our video. For more information, please visit us at airstreamadventures.com.